Hello guys, so today we will learn how to make this consistent AI character using a free video generator. So this video generator is totally free. You can download unlimited photos, videos without paying anything and without any watermark. So this video generator is ideal for the long videos or storytelling videos. First, open Google, write Meta AI, log in into your Meta AI account. Simply write a beautiful girl. I am showing as an example. So you can choose any character. I am choosing this one. Simply click onto the character and take a screenshot and save it. Now go back and click on create and pick up the same photo and change the scene. The same girl in pink dress sitting in the coffee shop. I'm just giving an example and click enter. You can see this is the same character or same girl with similar look, but in another scene, like in coffee shop with a different dress. So let's try another example. Choose the same photo and write like the same girl in maybe classroom. Here you can see this is the similar girl or similar face. Some images are smiling, some are very serious, but the character is very similar. So let's try another example. Maybe this girl is riding the horse in a playground. Again, you can see this is the similar girl with similar look, similar face, and in different scene. So this is the way how you can keep the character consistent using Meta AI